In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate takeoff reports in CostMiner. Whether you're new to this software or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the CostMiner website. CostMiner is a powerful tool for construction estimating and takeoff processes, offering a range of features designed to streamline your workflow. Once there, locate the Login button. Click this button to access your account. If you don't have an account, it's straightforward to sign up. Just follow the prompts to get set up. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard displaying your active projects. Find the project you're working on and give it a click. This will take you to the project page where all the action happens. Here you can manage and review the details of your project. It's essential to complete your takeoff process before moving forward because that's the groundwork for your report. Once your takeoff is finished, it's time to generate your report. Look for the Reports tab, typically found in your project's navigation menu. Clicking on Reports will open up a menu of different reporting options. You might notice various report types designed for different needs, but for our purpose today, we'll focus on the Rate Breakdown report. Selecting Rate Breakdown will give you an itemized costing breakdown. This is crucial as it provides a detailed insight into where costs are occurring, helping you make informed financial decisions and adjustments where necessary. Understanding these details is fundamental for accurate project planning and financial oversight. Now, you might be thinking about the best way to share or archive this information. Once the report is ready on your screen, you can export it. Look for the Export button, usually found alongside the report viewer. Clicking on this will give you several file format options such as PDF, Excel, or others, depending on your needs or how you prefer to compile or share this report. Choose the format that works best for you and follow the prompts to complete the export process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on generating takeoff reports using CostMiner. With these steps, you can create detailed and accurate reports that aid in project budgeting and management. Whether you're sharing it with stakeholders or keeping it for in-depth analysis, these reports are an indispensable part of the construction planning process. Feel free to revisit any part of this guide whenever you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore other features within CostMiner to optimize your project management tasks further. Thank you for joining me today, and happy reporting.